Hi, I'm Rob, and today I will be showing you, hopefully, a very ingenious way of attaching your grill and other things to other things. Now today, I've got this. Now we're going to just open this up. Open. So here we have the new set. We're just going to open that up now. Cut. Here we have our new nut riveter set, which we're just going to open up and have a look at for the first time. Now, this is what we'll be playing with straight away. These are 6mm, should say M6 threaded inserts. So the idea is that we're going to use this rivet gun-ish thing and these things to attach those things into there, which I haven't shown you yet. So these are the ones, these ones here are what we'll be using today, but they come in smaller sizes as well, which as you can see here will give you the ability to thread in M3, 4, 5 and 6 into various pieces of steel. I have a bucket of these old screws which I've used all over the car in various places. On the inside of this you won't have a chance of seeing it, but there is, you'll just have to believe me, a threaded M6 nut, which is a pain in the ass when you've got to do all of those. This miraculous invention here is going to allow me to hold the M6 nuts in the car without having to reach inside it and put the nuts on first. We'll see if this works. And that's just one. Next we're going to use my drill with a step drill attached. How this works is it goes in the hole, which is a little bit too small, and we're just going to ream it out just a tiny little bit using the next step, so that now our rivets, which we'll open one up right now, will sit nicely in the holes. Okay, so the next part's easy. You just put the thing in the watchamadoozie and then Alright, this time I'll show you how to use the tool properly. So you take the rivet gun and you pick out the selected die. I'm going to use an M3. Put the gun over that part. Screw it in. Then this goes on the front of the gun. And that's your completed unit, ready to go. This is what you want to see. This is going to be our test subject so that you can see exactly what's going on here. There we go. Perfect. There we go. So when you want to disassemble the tool, you just loosen off that, then close the gun, put the latch over it, and you should be able to reach the bolt at the back.